reading isn't just an activity. It's a gateway to becoming a more knowledgeable, empathetic, and confident person. Someone with Rizz. Okay? When you read a variety of books, it introduces you to a wide range of topics and information. You develop some good conversation starters. You're better able to engage in discussion. Reading books exposes you to more vocabulary than watching TV or scrolling on TikTok or Yik Yak. In fact, reading for 1 minute a day can expose you to 8,000 words a year. If you read for 20 minutes a day, that number jumps to a whopping 1.8 million words a year. Having a richer vocabulary allows you to sound more articulate and confident when talking with other people. You always have something interesting to say, right? You can always take them a topic. You become a more interesting person, thus increasing your Rizz. Reading also allows you to step into the minds of people with diverse backgrounds. In Out of My Mind by Sharon Draper, a young girl named Melody gives us some insight as to what it might be like to have cerebral palsy and to be nonverbal, but still have so much to say. In A Long Way Down by Jason Reynolds, he tells us the story of a 15-year-old boy named Will and his 60-second elevator ride to avenge his brother's death. As Will grapples with hope and resilience and the power to change, he struggles with breaking free from those 3 rules he's been taught to live by his entire life. Don't cry, don't snitch, and get revenge. By understanding these different walks of life, you learn a different perspective, start to understand and appreciate other people more. You can learn about what motivates them, their feelings, their thoughts, their emotions. You become a more empathetic person. And empathy helps you be more compassionate towards others. And studies show that compassion is one of the top traits that people find attractive in others. So finally, let's talk about confidence, right? That swagger. Think of somebody you know that has it. That attractiveness, that self-awareness, that Rizz. How did they get it? Feel good about themselves. But in order to that, you have to get to know yourself first. Aristotle knew that over 2,000 years ago. Reading helps us to get to know our likes, our dislikes, our thoughts, our experiences. It allows you to overcome adversity, overcome obstacles, to navigate life with new knowledge. Reading empowers you with the confidence from the inside out. But if you want to be a voracious reader like Belle here and enthusiastic, if you want to up your Rizz, you have to read often. So take advantage of every chance you get. If you're standing in line, read a page. If you're waiting at the doctor, read another. If you are waiting in between classes, read some more. If you're stopped at a red light, just kidding, don't read this. That would not make you a better driver, right? But take advantage of audiobooks, which foster the same skills and still allow you to do that while driving. So if you want to have more charisma, more charm, more empathetic and confident and knowledgeable, the results are clear. Reading equals W Rizz.